Marjoram is native to the Mediterranean and grows wild on the mountain slopes of Italy, Greece, Turkey, and Egypt. It has a long history of use as a medicinal herb and is associated with love and happiness and purification and healing. Before hops was widely used to make beer, it was marjoram that flavored ales. Marjoram essential oil is widely used in cosmetics and other products such as perfumes, deodorant, and mouthwashes. Marjoram is a shrub-like herb that looks very similar to oregano, so similar that the two are often mistaken for each other. The leaves tend to be more round and elliptical than those of oregano. Marjoram has a sweet flavor, the source of which is a natural chemical called saponine hydrate. The sweetness is mixed with hints of pine and citrus. Marjoram doesn't have a strong aroma or flavor as oregano and is a bit more versatile. Marjoram contains high amounts of iron and is a source of both vitamins A and C and calcium. It contains both manganese and vitamin K. Marjoram is used to help calm digestive troubles such as nausea and bloating. The natural compounds and phytochemicals in marjoram, carvacrol, and thymol, give it its antiseptic, antibacterial, antifungal, and anti-inflammatory properties.